Does anyone center console turn into a mess the second you start driving? To the company for sending this out for me, for my honest opinion. Now, I love the fact that this 5-in-1 arm cushion installs in seconds. No tools and no hassles. The durability of the Velcro seems very long lasting. I like how it interlocks very easily and it holds it tight. It does measure about 14 inches long by 7 inches wide, and it does have about 2.5 inches in height. But as you can see, it fits most cars, SUVs, and trucks. It's super simple to put together. It instantly upgrades my console with the built-in cup holders, phone slot, and tissue holder, and the extra storage pockets. I love the fact that the tissue was right there. I need it often on my trips. It also fit my phone perfectly in there, and it was readily available for me to get it on the go. Now you can see the leather. It is very soft to touch, and the foam padding is super comfortable, and it'll help for those long drives. This is made with waterproof PVC leather, so the spills wipe off very easily. And how simple, it comes with the tissues that you can wipe it with. Now, if you're looking for everything to stay right where you need it, no reaching around to be distracted, and comfort, look no further.